BMT and the British Army collaborate on revolutionary drone technology. According to an official press release, BMT has achieved a significant milestone in autonomous drone technology with its Sparrow registered project, which has received funding from the British Army's Futures Directorate. This initiative aims to enhance the delivery of medical supplies using drones, which was demonstrated in the Project CONVERGENCE exercise with the U.S. Army. The BMT SPARO registered device represents a globally novel approach by enabling drones to operate at a considerable height, thereby reducing the risks associated with low-flying drones in populated or sensitive areas. This technology is particularly advantageous in hostile environments where traditional delivery methods are impractical. James Campbell, the emerging products manager at BMT, remarked on the project's evolution. BMT SPARO registered its progression since 2019, and its initial acceptance from a government customer signals the dawn of a new type of robot, a small, safe, and quiet device suspended under a logistics aircraft that takes over responsibility for payload delivery, better suited to challenging and sensitive environments. The project's recent funding is poised to accelerate the commercialization of BMT SPARO registered, facilitating broader applications beyond military uses. Phil Metcalfe, Regional Business Director for UK and Europe at BMT, highlighted the practical benefits of this innovation, saying, "As drone technology and its use in challenging situations accelerates, BMT's SPARO registered autonomous delivery device is a safe, simple, and cost-effective solution to the problem of using drones to deliver payloads in difficult environments." Dr. Steve Wright from Wright Airborne Computing reflected on the broader implications of such technological advancements. "During 30 years of working in aerospace, I have not seen anything like the surge in new aircraft systems and applications that has happened in the last 5 years," he stated. The SPARO registered device operates by safely transferring payloads from an aircraft to precise ground locations, facilitated by onboard sensors, power, and processing capabilities. It also incorporates a compact internal winch and small side-facing fans to control its positioning. Beyond military applications, there is potential for BMT SPARO registered technology to be adapted for civilian uses such as manned helicopter operations, maritime deliveries, emergency services, and e-commerce. The ongoing development and discussions with established suppliers underscore BMT's commitment to pioneering solutions that could revolutionize autonomous logistics.